What's up, guys? Happy Friday. I'm back. Sorry it's a little later. I didn't come up with much to video this week, but I've got some good news. I have cleared all of the photos and stuff off my phone and videos, so now I have room to make more videos. So hopefully I can get some, if we can work more than a couple days a week, hopefully I can get some footage of out on the right of way and as much as I can, and show you guys a little bit about what goes on out there. Those of you who haven't seen it, and I'm gonna try to do that more. But I wanted to get on here and share with you guys what I learned this week, and a couple of things. I haven't shared with you guys or showed you guys what a banding crawler is, for those of you who don't know, but it's similar to a beveling machine. It's a lot of bigger pipe. They use a banding crawler, and we went to cut a piece of pipe the other day, and the band wouldn't. It was touching. It wouldn't come all the way together. It wouldn't get tight enough on the pipe, and this pipe we're on has spiraled seams on it. First job I've been on that has spiraled seam. So I don't know much about it, but that welding partner of mine was telling me. He said the spiral pipe it's known to be egg shaped and stuff, which I've heard that in the past. But anyway, it's egg shaped, and so we were cutting it close to the middle of the joint. So I mean, it's not very consistent, I guess, the spiral pipe. What I'm finding out. So anyway, what we had to do was take a zip disc and cut like a, I don't know, 3/16, quarter of an inch off of it. And I'd never seen that done. And I've been on a lot of jobs where I've used a banding crawler a lot, so that's something I learned, and there again wanted to share with you guys. And what else did I learn? Oh, you know what? I learned something about the clamps. These clamps on this bigger pipe, they got to use the side boom or hoe to move the clamps. And actually, that guy that's helping me, he told me this, and I had never even thought about it. I just always, after you get done making a weld, you slide the clamps one way or another. And he said always slide them towards the equipment, in which, depending on where you're at, if you're on a tie-in, you might have equipment on both sides. But if you're just stalking on a joint, above ground or whatever, usually you might only have one piece of equipment, and slide the clamps towards that piece of equipment. It was just a good piece of advice, and I really liked that. As long as I've been doing this stuff and been on a lot of this bigger pipe where you can't carry the clamps by hand, that's just a good, real simple idea, and it may not always work out that way, but it's a good rule of thumb. You might be on a side of a hill or something where to slide them up would be a pain, so you just slide them down. But anyway, just something I learned, and I just thought that was real handy piece of advice from that helper of mine. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I wanted to get on here and update you guys on what was going on with the videos, and hopefully we have more coming soon, some more exciting videos, and let me know what in this video. Leave in the comments some things you guys are needing or wanting to see more of. I mean, over time I'll touch base on a lot of stuff over and over again, just because it tends to come up. But if there's anything specific you guys are wondering about that I could do a video about, just let me know, and I'll write it down, I'll think about it, and I'll do what I can to get some videos out that you guys are interested in. So anyway, I hope you guys have had an awesome week. It is it's super windy, wet and windy up here where I'm at. I hope you guys are staying warm and staying classy where you guys are at. How about that toilet paper in the background? It's hotel life, baby. One room show. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys are curious about or wondering about as far as videos, what you guys want to see more of. and I hope to get you guys out on the right of way a little bit as much as I can and show you guys some things out there in the field. So anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome week. Subscribe to this channel if you liked this video. Hit the thumbs up button, share it with somebody. Just do what we can to help each other out here. So hope you guys have an awesome week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.